Lovely people, Couponer Krista here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got 9 deals to talk about in today's video, and we got some shout outs. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, first person we need to shout out is Patrice. Patrice used my Fetch referral code, which gave me 2,000 points or $2. Thank you very much. We must shout out an anonymous person because Shopkick doesn't tell me who the person is, but they signed up with my Shopkick referral code, which gave me 250 kicks or $1. Thank you. Signed up on March the 20th. If it was you, leave your name in the comments so we can give you a proper shout out, okay? Next, we've got Ibotta, Juju, Leah, and Blanca signed up with my Ibotta referral code. You are awesome. Thank you so very much, guys. That is amazing. They gave me $10 for each person. I love it. That's what I love about Ibotta, okay? All right, so let's jump into the deals. Now, the first deal, I finally found the Evolve. This was at a different Walmart near my son's house, okay? This is a plant-based protein shake. I got the vanilla bean because I thought that would be good. Okay, this is supposed to be a free after offer rebate, but it was priced a little higher in my Walmart. $8.48 is what I had to pay in store. $7.84 is what's coming back from the Ibotta rebate, making a final cost of 64 cents. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator and let my husband try them, and I'll probably try one as well. But they were on the aisle with the nutritional shakes. The next rebate I got was the mini Pepsis. Now this one says it's made with real sugar, so I hope it's going to taste like normal Pepsi, okay? Now this was priced $2.98 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $1.98. Not too shabby. I like Pepsi, and this is a good size for me to drink, so I'm not drinking too much with the bigger cans. The next rebate I got, guys, was the Listerine. The Listerine, I think it's a good deal because my husband uses this every day. So this was priced $5.64 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, honey, but I did get back $2.50 from Ibotta, which made the final cost be $3.14. I think that was good. This is a liter size bottle. Must get the liter, okay? Now, next deal I got, guys, was on the Poise Liners. The Poise was priced $5.46 in my Walmart. I did not have a paper coupon in hand, but I did have coupons.com app. I scanned it in store. There was actually a $2 coupon attaching to this. So that means I had to actually pay the $5.46 in store. But after I paid for it and, you know, got out the store, uploaded the receipt to Ibotta, Ibotta is giving me $2 back, and so is coupons.com is giving me $2 back, which is going to make the final cost be $1.46. Not too bad, not too bad. The next thing I decided to get was the big pens again. They didn't have the multicolors at this location, but that's okay. You can't have too many pens, all right? We couponers, we writing all the time. $1.88, no coupon. So I had to pay $1.88 in store. There's $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost only 88 cents, guys. The next rebate I got was the Vanity Fair napkins. They had these, and then they had a different one that was supposed to be like a more absorbent, okay, type of the Vanity Fair napkin, but it actually gave you 80 napkins. This one gave me 100, so they're just going to be on the table for when you're eating and you get some on your hands. So this will be fine. $2.16 in my Walmart, no coupon. But so I had to pay $2.16 in store. There is 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.66. Now, I do believe, I remember pre-pandemic, I could have sworn we would get sometimes Vanity Fair coupons, but I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments below, but I think I'm right. Now, this rebate I kept forgetting to get because it's a cheap rebate, but I don't know, it just slips my mind, and I'm not a bread baker, but I might have to start considering the price of groceries. This is the Fleischmann's active dry yeast. Now, my mother would use this because she would make homemade yeast rolls, honey. I haven't done that. I just buy those out the bag at Sam's Club. All right, so this was priced $1.52 in my Walmart. No coupon, had to pay $1.52, but there's 50 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.02. Now, the next deal, guys, I was super excited about. Yeah, it's a money maker for me, but let me just say this, okay? It might not be a money maker for you. Let me tell you why. These air wicks, all right? This is the burner and the oil, okay? These were priced $3.48 on the shelf. But when you scan them with the app, they were $2.97, okay? I can't help that, okay? So, for the Ibotta rebate, it's for $1 coming back, but you must purchase 2, okay? So these 2 together were $5.94 if I get them for the $2.97 price, all right? I did, because when she rang them up, they were $3.48, and I said, well, it's funny, when you scan it with the app, it's $2.97, and I have my app set to this store, okay? And I scanned it right there with her, and sure enough, it pops up $2.97. Look, it's not my fault that Walmart ain't got their stuff all lining up, okay? Yeah, you know, on the app, you can change it and set it to your store, and it's set to my store. Let's move on. It gets even better because I happen to still have that $6.50 off of any 2 Airwick coupon that I printed off from coupons.com. I don't know when, okay, but I still had it. $6.50 would make this be free and a little overage, okay? So let's talk about the breakdown. The $5.94, she price overrid it. She gave me $2.97, which made it be $5.94. She price overrid. Well, first of all, the coupon wasn't going through, supposedly, okay? It was just sitting there saying scan and enter, okay? Not sure why. It didn't look like on my side that it said, you know, get a CSM or whatever, but I'm assuming that was the problem because it's $6.50. You know, anything that high is prompting them to come over there. Let me tell you, the little lady, she goes and gets the little lady comes over there. Nobody's here. The manager's gone to lunch. So nobody can approve coupons if old dude's at lunch. This is foolery, okay? Let me tell you what my cashier did. She went in there and put that thing in as a vendor coupon. I don't know how she did it. She put that thing in as a vendor coupon, $6.50, and nobody came over there and approved that coupon. So I don't know how she did it, okay? I can show you the receipt, but y'all know how I am about showing receipts because I don't want nobody getting my information, so I gotta block some stuff out. Y'all know how I am about that. All right, so you got the 2 plugins. She changed the prices, and I added it up again once I got home to make sure that was correct. Because see, right there, it doesn't even look like the price was changed, but it was. So I only ended up being charged $2.97 for the plugins. There you see the vendor coupon for the $6.50 coming off. $6.50 came off, which would make it be a 56-cent money maker at that point, and the $1 coming back from Ibotta for purchasing the 2 makes it be $1.56 money maker. So if you, hopefully you guys got that coupon. Hopefully it's ringing up for $2.97. Even if it isn't, and it's ringing up at $3.48, it's still gonna be a great deal with that $6.50 coupon if you're able to get that to work out. This deal was actually a shop kick deal. I had to get it. Could not pass it up. And the hand sanitizer, all right? These have individual scan kicks that you will get for scanning and uploading the receipt, but it's giving you an additional 350 kicks for buying both of them in the same transaction, okay? So let's break down the numbers for you. The hand sanitizer was priced a little more at $3.97. You're going to scan it in store. It's going to give you 10 kicks for scanning in store. For uploading the receipt, it's going to give you 650 kicks. Now, it was priced $3.97, okay? So those two would make the scan and the upload receipt kicks is $2.64 coming back on that, all right? The next thing is the hand soap, okay? The hand soap was priced $2.97 in my store. Uploading the receipt is giving you 600 kicks and scanning in store 10 kicks for a total of $2.44 coming back. But there is an additional $1.40 that you're going to get back for the 350 bonus points. A total of 1,600 points, guys, which is an amazing, amazing deal. Making both of these, after all of those kicks, be only 46 cents for the two. That is a great deal. And as a filming, I done already got my points back. You better do it, Shopkick. I love Shopkick. Wait till I tell y'all how many points I done earned from these folks. They just giving me stuff. That's great. All right. Now let's get to the numbers. Let's talk about the total of everything. Everything before coupons was $41 even. I won't be to do that ever again. Ain't that something? All right. $6.50 coupon for that Air Wick came off, making the cost be $34.50. I actually did two transactions because I told y'all I got the Evolve at a different store. All right, so I did have a $5 Shopkick gift card that I did redeem in store. That dropped my cost down to $29.50. What did I get back from Ibotta? I got back $8.50 from one transaction and $8.09 from another transaction. And in that transaction that I got the Evolve protein shakes, I actually had a any receipt rebate for 25 cents, okay? So that buying that unlocked that swish bonus or whatever that I'm probably not going to complete because it's like 20 some rebates. I mean, I'm not going to be able to do that by tomorrow, okay? Next, I got my mid-week bonus accomplished. They only assigned me to do 6 rebates to get back $3, which was great, okay? Because I didn't do the weekend one. Did feel like $6.40 from Shopkick to bring it all the way down low to $3.51. That's amazing. For 11 items, that is 32 cents each. That is an amazing deal, guys. So excited about my haul. It be them small hauls that they be mighty. And you be like, yeah, I did some good couponing. I'm coming out the store with my mask on like, I got that Airwick for free. All you got to do is just be patient. Be like, don't be nasty. Don't be rude. Don't get smart. Just stand there. I don't care if it's 50 people behind me. I'ma stand there. Like that crazy reel on Instagram. I could get out of line. But I ain't. I'm gonna sit right there. All right. Now, let's talk about how much I have gotten from Shopkick. I have gotten 102,806 kicks, which is the equivalent of $400 from Shopkick. That's crazy. I declare, it doesn't seem like I have gotten that many gift cards from Shopkick, but I have. And I still about to get some more because I got some more points. I'm telling you, if you are not taking advantage of these rebate apps, what the ham sandwich are you waiting for? Okay? I'm just saying. Make sure that you check the description box so you can get the Google document with the list of all the deals. I always put a Google document so you guys can easily look it up on your phone while you're in the store or print it off before you get in the store. That way you got the deals in hand and everything's explained easily, okay? All right, guys, that's it. If you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, would you please do me a favor? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you can join the greatest coupon collective group of folks this side of, I don't know, the world. The world. I'm about to say this side of the Mississippi, but hell, I ain't even really near the Mississippi. Y'all don't pay me no attention. Y'all know how I get. Y'all know how I get. It's a good thing I'm laughing today because I just had a irritated day. Like a freaking irritated day. I'm just going to say it. All right. I have a flexible spending account with my job, you know, for your medical expenses. And I done slipped up and didn't use all my money. So guess I don't have any receipts to reimburse. So guess who's about to get my money? My darn job is about to get my money. I was so pissed today. I was so pissed. I was pissed off about that. Then I ain't got my new debit card yet. I'm still waiting on it. So I used one of my other debit cards from another bank and I put it in my phone so I could pay a bill. And then all my little subscriptions come through and reactivated their sales. I was just like, I cannot. Oh, they trying to get me to cuss, Jesus, but I tried not to. But I slipped up. Some just come out and just jumped out my mouth while I was talking about my husband. I was so mad. I was like, I was just pissed. I was just pissed. So that was my day, guys. It's just one of them days that it's just like, okay, you know what? Let me get my pocketbook, my keys. I'm going back home and getting to bed. I'm going to do it over again. I'm going to just do the day over again. Yeah, it's like that. All right, guys, I'm really ending this video now. Y'all see, I'll be talking to y'all. Y'all my friends, y'all my therapy. My husband ain't here. It's just me and the dog. Grace May don't want to hear it. She don't listen to me anyway. You seen in that video, that heifer, I'm calling her name. Calling that heifer name. She ain't answer me. She pay me no attention. She be like, girl, I ain't paying you no attention. Ooh, buddy. She went out last night. She stayed out there a little too long. She went back there in the backyard. I said, Gracie May. Gracie May done ran. I guess she done ran up the street. I don't know what she did. And until I did get back to that back door, I bet you she about broke her darn neck trying to get in the house because it was cold. I said, that'll teach you. That'll teach you. I ain't lock her out. She just likes to, she fast. She likes to run up the street. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Remember, click to save and you'll be amazed. Bye-bye.